Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I prepared leeks and mushroom soup. This is a wonderful summer soup. You can serve this soup warm or cold. It is very nice and tasty. So I'll be using leeks for this recipe. Leeks is nothing but it has got that onion flavor. You can also use spring onions for this recipe if you cannot find leeks. But leeks has a separate flavor and taste to it. So you can use leeks or spring onions. When you consume more of onions for summer, it keeps you hydrated and it is very nice for your health. You can serve this warm or cold. This soup is very nice and tasty. It's very nice and filling for summer. So I've chopped up all these hard leaves from the leeks. You can use those leaves for preparing broth. When you're preparing chicken broth or you're preparing in any other clear soup, you can use those leaves. But for now I'm just chopping all those hard leaves, and I'll be using only the white portion of the leeks. I'll wash it thoroughly, then I'll start to slice it. We also need to slice half an onion and button mushrooms and one chili. I've also sliced and reserved garlic. Here I'll be slicing the leeks and I'll reserve it. Once you've sliced all your ingredients, it's very simple from here. Just heat up a pan and we'll add all the ingredients to the pan. The onion, chilies, sliced mushroom, leeks, and we'll also add our garlic, sliced garlic. At this point, I've added my ginger and garlic paste. The more garlic you add, the more taste it enhances. I've added milk and water. We'll place this on, and also salt as per taste. Now we'll place this on medium flame, cover it and cook the mushroom and leeks till it's nice and tender. Once the mushroom and leeks have cooked till it's nice and tender, remove it from the flame and allow it to cool down completely. So once this is cooled down completely, that is when we'll be adding it to a mixer jar and grinding it. Once the mushrooms and leeks are ground into a smooth puree, transfer this puree to the wok again along with some milk and some salt. Dilute it and bring it to a boil. We'll add little bit of pepper powder to this just to enhance the flavor and taste. This leek soup is ready. All the ingredients used in this recipe, friends, along with a detailed blog post, will be listed in the description box below this video. You can also visit me on my Instagram, Facebook and Twitter for regular updates. Now once the leek soup has boiled, you can remove it from the flame and allow it to cool down and then serve it. Here I've used white pepper powder, but you can also use black pepper powder. It is very nice and tasty either ways. Try this leek soup, friends. You can serve it cold or warm. It is very nice and tasty. The more onions you consume for summer, it's excellent for your health. So try it and post your comments. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video recipe. Do give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipe videos and updates on a regular basis. I've served my leek soup warm and we really enjoyed it. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video, friends. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.